Good afternoon, folks. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review today on a Quantum Edge 6 power chair with the all-terrain tire for the yard. And this chair also has a 7-inch seat lift on this chair. Good afternoon, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review today on a Quantum Edge 6 power chair. This is an all-terrain power chair. This is not an extreme power chair. It's an all-terrain power chair. So if you have an electric wheelchair right now that does not go in your yard, this one will probably go with no problem, okay? Watch the video. You'll see why this chair does more than most power chairs out there in the yard. Plus, this chair has a 7-inch seat lift. And let's go to that right now. So to make the seat go up on this chair, you just go to your joystick, hit the blue button one time, and you'll see a picture of your seat there. And then use your joystick like this to make the seat go up. When you start, you'll be at 21 inches. By the time the seat is all the way up, you'll be at 28 inches. And the nice thing about this, once the seat is elevated, you can still drive the chair with the seat elevated. Let's look at the base while the seat's elevated. You can actually see the seat lift right here. You can see these are 14-inch pneumatic, heavy-duty, knobby tires, all-terrain tires. These are 4-pole motors. These are heavy-duty pole motors. These are high-torque motors. These motors, there's one on each side, by the way. This motor is connected directly to the hub. There's no chain, no belts, okay? You have 4 anchor points. You see these little anchor points right here? You have 4 of these that go all around the chair. 4 of these anchor points. The suspension on this chair is also incredible. If you look at the front of the chair, you can see the suspension for this fork right here. The same suspension for that fork right there. And that suspension is adjustable. There's a ring here if you want it looser or tighter. In the back of the chair, you have the same suspension here that's adjustable right here. And this is independent from this side. If I raise this side, you can see the other side stays down. So it's independent suspension. You have a pocket back here. So this is mainly the base of the chair. Let's bring the seat back down. And now we're going to push the joystick forward and bring the seat all the way back down. So remember, when the seat is down, you're going to be about 21 inches from the ground. Add 7 inches, you'll be 28 inches. The seat on this chair, as I said, is a captain seat. You can recline the seat all the way up to here, or you can just shut it completely down. And the high point right here is about 32 inches if you travel with a minivan or SUV. 32 inches is what you need to get into your van. So this is a captain seat. The arms do flip up. The seat on this chair is 18 by 18. But remember this, folks. From outside of this wheel to outside of this wheel, the number you need to know is 27 inches. These are a little bit larger than most wheels. This is from here to here. It's 27 inches instead of 25, okay? The foot plate flips up when you exit the chair. The batteries come out from the front. There's 2 batteries in here. There's 2 levers on the bottom. You squeeze the levers together in the bottom here. The front cover and the foot plate, all that will come out. There's 2 55 amp batteries in there. If you don't need to buy a chair from us, but you still want batteries, we sell batteries by themselves also. It takes 2 55 amp batteries and most of the Quantum's power chair, okay? You also have what's called a swing away joystick. You can get a little closer to your dining table with a joystick since you can move it to the side. If you're left-handed, we can put it on the left side with no problem. I want to show you how this chair turns in a circle. Look at this. So even if you have it in your house, it's not that big of a chair. Even though it's an all-terrain chair for outside also, it really does both. It does the inside and the outside extremely well. When you charge the batteries, you plug your charger right below the joystick right here, and as soon as the light goes to green on your charger, the charger will stop charging when the batteries are full. These are smart chargers. They know when to stop charging. So this chair here, folks, has a weight capability of 300-pound person with no problem at all. If you need a larger seat in this chair, we can also do that for you. It has a top speed of about 6 miles an hour. This chair was used for about 6 months to a year, part-time. It's still almost new condition. It has the 14-inch tires, it has the high torque motors, it has the anchor point, the captain's seat, the swing away joystick. Just a great power chair if you want to have a lot of fun in the yard. And make sure you watch the end of this video. All right, this is the Quantum Edge 6 power chair. Top speed is a little less than 6 miles an hour. It might be 6 miles, pretty close. You can see how nice it turns. We'll do a big sweeping turn over here. You can see the big tires at work. Now I can make a real sharp turn like this if I have to. And when you stop, it has built-in brakes in the motor. Watch when I stop here in a minute. Watch this. The motors have a brake in them, so when you let go, it kind of and just stops the chair, okay? We're gonna take it in the yard. We're gonna go have some fun over here. Hopefully I won't break my neck. All right, let's go in this yard right here real quick. Give you an idea what we're looking at. You can see how it has no problem climbing that bad, nasty yard. Also over there, there's a bunch of roots and it's uphill about 3 feet. I mean, the roots are about 2 or 3 inches. We're gonna go right through that, see if it does it. All right, that's crazy. So folks, okay. I don't think you should be doing that every day, but I want to give you an idea what it does and why I like doing the videos on this chair. So this one here has also the 7-inch seat lift, which is going up right now. If you're going to use the seat lift, please not in the yard, okay? Flat surface. So here you can definitely do your dishes looking down, like you would get up to your sink right here. You would do your dishes like this, away from the joystick. You always come in sideways on your countertop, not this way doing your dishes, okay? This way. And then you can grab stuff off the first cabinet and then maybe the second cabinet, okay? I'm gonna bring the seat back down. So if you're looking for a nice chair with a 7-inch seat lift, heavy duty motors, all-terrain tires, great suspension, 4-pole motors. The seat on this one was, I think it was 20 by 18, somewhere around there. If I'm not correct, it'll give you the specification. Let me put it back to 4. This chair is ready to go, folks. Probably won't be here very long. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.